Picture this. It's winter. Everyone around you is catching colds and flu, but you're feeling strong and full of energy. What's your secret? It could be the superfoods you're about to discover. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition shows that adding immune-boosting superfoods to your diet can improve your immune response by up to 50%. That's right. What you eat plays a huge role in your body's ability to fight off infections and stay healthy year-round. In this video, we'll reveal the 10 most powerful superfoods you can start eating today to strengthen your immune system. Stick around to learn how these foods can keep you healthy and what science has to say about each one. Let's dive in. First on the list is garlic. This powerful food contains a compound called allicin, which has been shown to enhance the disease-fighting response of your immune system. In fact, one study found that garlic can reduce the risk of catching a cold by up to 63%. So, whether raw or cooked, adding garlic to your meals can make a big difference. Next, we have ginger. Not only does it help with inflammation, but ginger is also packed with antioxidants that support your immune function. Studies show it can help reduce inflammation markers in your body, making it easier to fend off infections. Third, let's talk about spinach. Rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and beta-carotene, spinach is a nutrient powerhouse that's been shown to enhance the infection-fighting ability of your immune system. Eat it raw or lightly cooked to preserve its nutrients. Up next is yogurt, specifically the kind with live and active cultures. These probiotics help balance the bacteria in your gut, which plays a crucial role in immune health. A healthy gut means a stronger immune system. Moving on, berries. Like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are loaded with antioxidants, particularly vitamin C. Research shows that consuming foods high in vitamin C can reduce the duration of colds and improve overall immune function. Don't forget about almonds. Just a small handful provides a hefty dose of vitamin E, an essential vitamin for maintaining a healthy immune system. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, protecting your cells from damage and keeping your immune system strong. Another superfood for your immune system is sunflower seeds. They are rich in vitamin E and selenium, both of which are key to immune support. Studies have shown that selenium is linked to a reduced risk of viral infections. And then there's citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits. These fruits are famous for their high vitamin C content, which boosts the production of white blood cells, your body's main defense against infections. Let's not forget turmeric. This golden spice contains curcumin, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Studies suggest it can help activate certain immune cells, making your body more resistant to infections. Finally, we have green tea. Packed with flavonoids, this tea can enhance your immune function. One study even found that people who drink green tea regularly have a lower risk of viral infections thanks to its antiviral properties. So there you have it, 10 incredible superfoods to supercharge your immune system. Whether it's garlic, ginger, or a handful of almonds, these foods can help keep you feeling strong and healthy. Remember, your immune system is your body's best defense, so why not give it the boost it deserves? And if you want more tips like this, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more health insights.